We stayed at the JW Marriott Venice Resort and Spa during our summer trip to Venice, and in this video I will be showing you a tour of our room. This 40-acre resort is on its own private island, Isola delle Rose, and it offers a complimentary shuttle to and from St. Mark's Square, which is only about a 15 to 20 minute boat ride. In this clip here, we are actually arriving for the first time and had transportation pickup arranged from the airport, which involved a short drive and then about a 40-minute boat ride. After check-in, we walked through the garden area for a bit, and someone helped us to our room by way of golf cart. The walk really wasn't that far, but it would have been a bit of a hassle with all of the suitcases and rolling them along outside. We stayed in the La Maisonette Pool loft, which was a one-bedroom bi-level loft with a plunge pool outside. The whole space was just a little bit under 600 square feet. The lower level included a desk and a sofa sleeper, which came in handy since there were 4 of us traveling together. The lower level had a mini fridge, a coffee maker, and an iron and an ironing board. The downstairs bathroom was a half bath and the upstairs bathroom was a full. Unfortunately, I was not able to retrieve the footage of the upstairs bathroom, but it was really similar to the downstairs bathroom aside from being a bit bigger and having both a shower and a bathtub. Now, one of the highlights of this room was definitely the outdoor space. We had a nice sitting area, a little grassy area, and of course, the plunge pool. Upstairs, there was the king bed. The room had lots of windows, which let in some great natural light. And you might also notice, as I'm looking out the window here, that there is some brick wall outside of the building, which is part of an original structure and has been preserved. When I was investigating a little bit, I found that there was actually a medical facility that was previously on the island and used in the late 1800s into the mid 1900s. I should note that there is also a rooftop pool at this resort, which my kids loved, and several dining options, which I will try to cover in a future video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please like and subscribe to help support our small channel.